Hello dear children, welcome to today's EVS class. Today we are going to learn about water. Lesson number 7, water. Open your book, page number 43. Dear children, water is basic need of all living things, isn't it? We cannot live without water. All living beings like plants, animals, human beings need water. Right children? Water is a precious, ಅಮೂಲ್ಯವಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು water. Right? Water is colorless, shapeless and tasteless also. Water have not any color, any taste, any shapes. Got it? First we go to warm up activity. Observe in your book. Take a pencil, okay? Which of these can live without water? Tick right mark. Without water living what things? Non-living things are live without water, right? Okay. First one. Table. It is non-living thing, right? You tick it. Next, tiger. Tiger is an animal. So it need water. Fish. Fish is need water. Without water, the fish cannot live. Human beings also need water. Television. It need not water. Tick it. Frog. It also need water. Flowers. It also need water. Book. It need not water. Tick it. Tree. Tree also need water, right? Okay, children. Observe in your book, okay? Water is our basic need. Human beings cannot live without it. Animals and plants also need water to live. We use water for drinking, cooking food, washing clothes, cleaning utensils, bathing, watering plants and for many other purposes. Okay children, I already told you water is basic need of all living things. Without water we cannot live. We are in this earth because of water. Got it? So first we go to uses of water. Why we use water? We use water for drinking, right? Drinking. Cooking food. Without water we cannot cook the food, right? And washing clothes. Cleaning utensils. ಪಾತ್ರೆ ತೊಳೆಯೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ? Bathing. And watering plants. ಗಿಡಗಳಿಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನೀರು ಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ. So many other purposes we also use water. ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, many other purpose we use water. Got it? Next we go to source of water. Source of water means where we can get water. That is called source of water. Let me see. Source of water. We get water from different places. These are called sources of water. Rain is the main source of water. Rainwater fills the wells, springs, lakes, rivers and ponds. Some of the rainwater also goes under the ground. This is called underground water. We dig wells to get groundwater. It can also be brought out with the help of hand pumps. In some places, water gushes out from the underground. These are called springs. We also get water from rivers. When the snow on the top of the mountain melts, it becomes water. This water flows down as streams. Small streams join to form a big river. In some places, People build dams over rivers. A dam is barrier that blocks the flow of river water. The black river water is used for many things like watering the fields. Okay children, now we go to sources of water. We get water from different places, right? Where we get water, that is called sources of water. Sources of water. We get the main source of water is rain. Made. Alva? Rain is the main sources of water. When the rain is come, it fills the lakes, springs, river, ponds, wells, dams. Right? So rain is the main source of water. Next, lakes. Lakes is also source of water. Springs. Springs means what? Sometimes water is gushes out from underground. Underground ಇಂದ water gushes ಹರಿಯತ್ತೆ. ಅಂತ water na we called as springs. Got it? Springs. Next, rivers. Rivers ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನದಿಗಳು. Ponds ಸಣ್ಣ ಕೊಳಗಳು. Well ಬಾವಿ. Dam, you know it. Hand pump. Hand pump means borewell. What you call borewell. Next, tanks. Tanks. These are all called sources of water. Rain, lakes, springs, rivers, ponds are natural sources of water. Got it children? These are all called natural sources of water. But this one, well, dam, hand pump and tanks are man-made sources, artificial sources. These are all made by man, human beings. Right? So this is called artificial sources of water. Got it children? Okay. Here is little scientist portion. More than half of your body weight is water. We lose a lot of our body water through sweat and other body function. To make up for the lost water, we should drink plenty of water in a day. We should also eat fruits and vegetables that have lot of water like watermelon, strawberry, broccoli and cucumber. Got it children? More than half of body weight is water. ಬಾಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅರ್ಧಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ವಾಟರ್ ಇದೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ವೆಯ್ಟಿನ ಅರ್ಧದಷ್ಟು ವಾಟರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಗಾಟ್ ಇಟ್? We lose lot of water. How? When we do physical activities, playing and working, we are sweat, right? We loses water from our body. So we drink plenty of water. We must drink plenty of water, and we also must eat. Water contains vegetables and fruits like cucumber, watermelon, strawberry, broccoli and cucumber. These are all water contained fruits and vegetables. It gives us water to our body. Got it? Okay children. You know children, we do not use sea water. Why? Sea water is salty. There is lot of water in sea. You know it? ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸಮುದ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ ನೀರಿರುತ್ತೆ. Did you use it? No. Why? Because it is salty water. We cannot use it. But in some countries, like Arab countries, Singapore, like that country, they use a sea water. Why? How? They filterized, they purified that filter water. some large factories are there. That factories purify this sea water into usable water. It made it fit to use because there is a lack of sources of water. The Arabian countries ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಸೋರ್ಸಸ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟರ್ಗಳು ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಲ್ಯಾಕ್, ಸ್ಕೇರ್ಸಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಸೋರ್ಸಸ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟರ್. ಸೊ ದೇ ಯೂಸ್ sea water. Got it? Okay, children. Here is given some natural sources of water and some human-made sources of water. See here. Lake, ponds, river. These are known as natural sources of water. Rainwater also natural sources of water. Next you come to this page. Page number 45. Artificial sources of water is called human-made sources of water. Man-made or human-made sources of water. Dam. Human being built the rivers on the dam, right? Well, hand pump. Got it, children? Next, here is one activity. Label the sources of water. Here is given some sources of water. You label it. Take your pencil. Take your pencil. Well. Right here, well. Got it? Rain. This is rain, right? Next, ponds. Pond. Right here, pond. Next, river. This one is river. Write correctly, okay? Okay, children, this is enough for today. Next class, I will continue it. Got it?